Ever wonder what happens inside your body during a sneeze? It's more powerful than you think. First, an irritant enters your nose: dust, pollen, or germs. Your nerves instantly send an alarm to your brain. Your body prepares for launch. You take a deep breath. Your chest muscles tighten and pressure builds. Then boom! Air explodes from your lungs at 100 miles per hour. Your eyes automatically close. Thousands of droplets blast out, traveling up to 26 feet. Meanwhile, your diaphragm contracts violently. Your throat closes, then suddenly opens. One sneeze can spray 100,000 germs. Your body's incredible defense system, faster than a hurricane.